Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Lawfer, and today I have you stacked up on a princess soup can. We're doing a word problem for our Word Problem Friday, and I'm going to review the learning target and success criteria. It's been the same every single Friday. So our learning target for today is I can solve word problems using multiplication and division. So those are going to be our operations that we're using. And then our success criteria is I am successful when I can represent the problem with a model or drawing a picture, and then as well as using a letter to represent the unknown, choosing the correct operation, so add, subtract, multiply, or divide, and then solving and explaining why your answer makes sense. So let's move on to the question for today. All right, so our question reads, it takes 3 ounces of cheese to make a burrito and 2 ounces to make a taco. If you wanted 8 burritos and 9 tacos, how many ounces of cheese would you need? Can you tell what kind of food Miss Lawfer wants right now? Because it's definitely Mexican food. All right, so let's go ahead and remember that the first thing that we do when we do our word problems is underline and circle the important information. So we have, it takes 3 ounces of cheese to make a burrito. I'll do different colors to make it a little bit easier. So burritos are blue, and then we have 2 ounces of cheese to make a taco. So tacos are purple. And then our question is, I'll do that in red. Oh, excuse me, and I missed an important part, guys. So we also need to know if you wanted 8 burritos. So I need 8 burritos and 9 tacos. My question is, how many ounces of cheese would I need? All right, so let's start off with the first step. Let's start off with burritos. So I need to figure out how many ounces of cheese I need to make my burritos. Well, I see right here that every burrito needs 3 ounces, and I need to make 8 burritos. So I'm just gonna draw my 8 burritos. I'll make them rectangles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I have my 8 burritos, and every single burrito, check that off, is 3 ounces. So I'm gonna put 3 inside of it. I can write the number 3, or I could draw 3 dots inside every single one. I'll do dots this time. And now I need to figure out how many ounces would I need to make my 8 burritos. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 burritos. And each burrito is 3 ounces. So I'm multiplying because I'm not splitting up everything. I was not given the total, so I can't divide. So 8 burritos times 3 ounces equals, and if I counted all of my dots inside all of these, I would get 24 ounces. Ooh, I'm gonna put OZ for ounces. So my burritos need 24 ounces. All right, let's move on to our tacos. So let's do tacos now. I need to have 9 tacos. So let's go ahead and draw my 9 tacos. I'm gonna do circles this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And every single taco needs 2 ounces. So again, I can put the number 2 inside, or I can draw 2 dots. I'm gonna do dots again. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tacos. This is my step number 2. So 9 tacos times, remember, because we don't have our total yet, and we're not splitting up anything, so we're multiplying. So 9 tacos, and they each have 2 ounces, which gives me my total, my mystery number. Miss Lawfer should have put a letter here, but I forgot to do that, but I'll put a letter here. So I'll put a T for total. So 9 times 2 is 18 ounces, so T equals 18 ounces. All right, so the last step that we have to do is to figure out how many ounces would I need to make my 8 burritos and 9 tacos. Well, if I needed to figure out the total, I would add. Remember, total means to add. So I would take my total ounces for burritos, which is 24, and then my total ounces for tacos, which is 18, and I'm gonna add those two numbers together to see how many ounces I need all together. So I need 24 ounces for burritos. OZ is short for ounces. And then I need 18 ounces for my tacos. And let's go ahead and add those two numbers up. 8 plus 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to carry my 1 and drop my 2. All right, so 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. And we got to have our unit, which is ounces. So how much cheese would they need to make the 8 burritos and 9 tacos? 42 ounces. So now I would write my statement, which would say, I need 42 ounces of cheese to make 8 burritos and 9 tacos. All right, guys, this was just a quick refresher on how to solve a multi-step word problem that has either multiplication or division. And I hope this helps you. And if y'all have any questions, y'all can send me an email or message me on Google Classroom, and I will try my best to get back to y'all. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.